So I'm going to show you here so you know that with that AI content, you too can start making a lot of money. If you can see here on this video, you can see that it has about 1 point something million. You can see this one 4 point something million. You can see this one standing here 7 point something million. You can see all this 1 point something million. So you too can start creating content with AI and you can start making money without any stress, easy peasy. Look at what this person
ये दुबली
creates.
पतली गाय
This
और
person
उसका
just
मालिक
create this
घूमने के
thing
लिए
in the
शहर आते हैं,
second
तभी कुछ लोग उसकी पतली हालत का
and
मजाक उड़ाने लगते हैं।
the
दुखी
video is
होकर गाय
trending.
और
You
उसका
can see
मालिक हरे
this
भरे
is all the person creates. You can see this is all the person creates here. He generate this, he post it, and they are earning a lot of money. They are earning thousands of dollars. So you too can start up something. So watch this video to the end and learn how you can start a faceless YouTube channel making use of AI.
Then in this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to create AI videos. AI videos like, fake videos that when you create them, it can easily trend on your social media accounts like your TikTok, your YouTube, any social media account you created, you can easily create and upload these AI videos there to get more views and then start making money. So let's go, guys. First of all, you enter this site here, name.video, then you press enter. Once you press enter, click on try now. And then you wait for it to load. So here you put your Gmail. And then you press next. You put your password. And you press. So now here you have to pick 3 topics here, rather. You have to pick 3 topics here. Me, I like picking films, then science and fiction, and then I like picking art. Or if I don't pick art, I pick marketing, or probably maybe I just pick exploring down there. So just pick 3 things here. 3 things. It has to be the kind of content you want to be creating. You understand? So you have to pick 3 things and then click on continue. So click on explore for free. So now you have created an account. So this place, first thing you need to do now is click on that Y up there. See this Y, see that thing free, 0. That means you don't have any points. So now you have to click on upgrade. So you're upgrading with $1. You're upgrading with $1. This $1, they will give you 400 points. So now I want to upgrade. I have to put my card details here. I have to click on card and then put my card details here so that they can remove the $1 in case you don't have any debit foreign card details. You can reach out to me. I'll help you to create this type of account. So now I have put my card details and I want to pay. It's gone. So now I have to start creating. I have to start creating the contents I want to create. So without wasting time, let's go get it, my people. You see, I now have 400 points. So the first thing I want to do is click on this Clink standard. See, these are points. These are sectors. These are points. Each sectors contain a particular point. So don't go too far so that you can make use of your 400 points carefully. Sure, you understand? So you have to click on that Clink standard so you don't go too far. If you click on that Clink Pro, they will take out 80 points from your 400 points. So me, I make use of that clean standard. So now let's go back to the aspect ratio. You click on the aspect ratio and then you click on the aspect ratio and then you switch to 9:16. That 9:16 means you are creating content for people that are using phone. Make sure you always click on that 9:16. Don't forget, so you don't create rubbish. So now let's go create something. I'm looking for my iNote. Yeah, here it is. So this is where I keep everything that comes to my head. Any ideas that come to my head, that's where I write them down. So I'm creating a content of a video of a 2-year-old baby fighting a hen. So I click on generate. Then it starts counting. Once you click on that generate, start counting. Don't click on that generate again. No, just leave it. Let it be counting by itself. Once you click on it again, they will remove another point. They will remove another 30 points from your point. So now, as that one is going, you can as well create another content. You can make another video. So I want to make another video now. A video of a crocodile. A video of crocodiles inside a pool with a lady inside the pool with them trying to rescue a chicken that mistakenly flew in the pool. So that's what I want to create now. I click generate again. So now I have to wait. I have to wait for it to load. I have to wait. As you can see now, I've created 2 videos, which is 30 points each. And 60 points minus 400 points gives us 340 points. So you have to make use of your points carefully. So without wasting much of our time, let's just go straight to what the content looks like. So here is what I just created. This is the second one. This is the second video I created. The video of the crocodile and then the video of the baby fighting, That's what I just created. So guys, that's all. No, that's not all yet. Let me teach you how to add sound. Let me teach you how to add sound in the video. As you can see, this video now does not have sound. So I'm going to teach you how to add sound. So now you scroll down, then you see this add sound. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to display like this. So you click on generate. Once you click on that generate, you start reading again. Then you wait for it to count. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then like this video. Thank you. Peace out.
So after downloading the video, just come down here, open your CapCut app, click it this way, scroll to the video you downloaded. Okay, this is one of the video, this is the other video. All right, then click on add, then try play it. Right, this is the other one. So here, because I just downloaded it without using my stuff, I could take off the watermark, so I will just drag it a little bit to fit the screen. You see, so here we go. So I have it, so I could just still the same thing, so I could decide to post it. All right, then I'll take this one off. So I'm going to look for sound here and I'll add the sound to it. So I will just look for a soundtrack, like you just type here. I could just say no, or I can go to TikTok as well and look for soundtrack there, the first soundtrack from TikTok. I could type Kung Fu. Let me say Kung Fu. So I will look for a scene of Kung Fu fights. So You see the sound? So I could just download the video. Or I look for a better one.
Now, let me
I'll
teach
get
you
a
how to
better
use the
one.
AI.
You can decide to get like show sound as well. Alright, so
Good afternoon, my love.
You are very
I will go back to the video. Then I will go to add sound, but this time I'm going to extract. Alright, so I will just click on add sound, then click on this place. Look from extract audio from video. So I will click on it. Then the sound I download, it's 8 seconds. So I will just extract it. Then I have the sound here. So this is the sound. So I'm going to check the second one as well. So I will still extract it. Still 8. So I'll just click on new of it. Then we have it. You get, so I can decide to duplicate it and end it here. All right, then I'll click on this cover here, this place. After mute clips, you can see where it says cover. Then I'll just click on it. Then I will select what I want people to see. All right, I could select this one like this. So by the time anyone check my video, this is what they're going to see. So I'll just click on this. Then I'll click on export, and we are done. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just head over to my YouTube. Then I'll click on this. I'll click on this. Let's wait for it a little bit. All right, so we have the thumbnail now. So yeah, I will just give it, like, I can say best com full kids fighting lion and a big chicken that look like human. All right, so I could just copy it since it's short. I'll just copy it and paste on the description as well. Then I will turn my monetization on because I want to earn from it. So yeah, I will turn on the comment as well. So here they say, do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or do something they don't say or do. Alter a footage of a real or event play. Generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. So here, I don't know. So I could just say no. All right, I could just say no. Then I will just put it on public. Then I will just post. Is it made for kids? No. So I will upload. Okay, they say I should change my visibility, so I will change it for now. After posting, then I will just change it back. You get, so this is it. So this is how you can do it, and you can create a faceless YouTube account. You can see that the little one I'm creating now, I just get some cent on it, so you too can start up something, and don't wait until you have it all. Thanks for watching this video.